In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. The first thing you want to do is open the Gmail app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, find the option of settings, tap on it. Now scroll down and here find the option of sync Gmail. If this option is not checked, go ahead and check this box. If it's disabled, Gmail won't automatically receive new emails. If the problem continues, you want to close the Gmail app. Now you need to force stop the app. For that, head over to your device settings. Then tap on apps. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown. Scroll down until you find Gmail. Now select that. Here, find the option of force stop. Tap on it, then tap on OK to confirm. Next, you want to clear the app cache. For that, tap on storage. Here, tap on clear cache. Once that is done, go to Gmail and check if you are starting to receive emails. If the emails are still not receiving, you want to update the app to the latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here search Gmail. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.